Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you about the basic topic in IIT. Today I am going to start about algebra. Algebra was the first used by the ancient Babylonians. Algebra is used in maths when we don't know the exact or the correct value of a number in the calculation. It may be any value x, y, z. We may use like 2x plus 2 is equals to 12. What is the x value? We don't know that. To find those x values or y any variable values, that we use this algebra. Algebra is mainly used in finance management, banking, brokerage, anything, etc. It comes under still so many like tax collection, GST, SGST. From algebra is a equation where we can find the values for the variables. Now let's take a glance of terms used in algebra. These are the main terms used in algebra. These are constant and variable. These both are the main terms used in algebra. Now, for basic algebra, constant is the fixed value that can't be changed in total universe. Constant is a fixed value like a numbers. Like if we take an as 2 is equals to 4. It's not possible because 2 has certain value and 4 has certain value. So 2 is not equals to 4. No, we can't tell like if we have two chocolates, you can't tell like I have four chocolates, I have 10 chocolates. We can't tell like that. Like it's a constant value. Next, if it comes to variable, variable is a quantity or the value that may change or alter within the mathematical problem. Like variable is not a variable, don't has a perfect value. Like variable may be like let's take a variable as beta. Beta is equals to 2, or in some questions beta is equals to 2. In some questions, beta is equals to 4. In some questions, it may be beta is equals to 3. In some questions, it may be beta is equals to 5. Like the value of a variable varies from the one question to different question. All values are different from one question to other question. These values may be like these values may be like alphabets, letters, anything it may be like A, comma B, comma C, D, or alpha, beta, integration symbol, anything it may be. But it should be a variable x, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, anything it may be. Next, by seeing this, we may not understand completely. Come, let's start the problems and let's start the solving problems one by one. Now, this is first question. If this is the first question, 2x plus 3 is equals to 15. If you want to take 3 this side, the symbol should be changed as 2x is equals to 15 minus 3. Any number, if it is in LHS and if it wants to go to RHS, the number symbol should be changed. Like 2 plus 3 is equals to x. If we want 3 this side, it means 2 is equals to x minus 3. If plus goes this side, it becomes minus. Minus goes this side, it becomes plus. Multiplication, division, it becomes division. Division, it becomes multiplication. These are totally inverse. According to the symbol, according to their symbols, it changes in the LHS and RHS. Now let's solve this problem. 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3 is equals to 15. Now 2x is equals to 15 minus 3. 2x is equals to 12. X is equals to If 2 came this side, it becomes divide. X is equals to 6. If we substitute this 6 value here, we will get the answer exactly. We can try it. 2 is equals to 6 plus 3 is equals to 15. 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. 12 plus 12 plus 3 is 12 plus 3 is equals to 15. Now we can solve the next problem. This problem, all problems are quite different in their model. This, if divided by 3 when this side, it becomes into 3. 9y is equals to 891 into 3. 891 into 3 is 2673. And if we want to find the y value, 2673 by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are 9 nines are 9 sevens are. Then y is, y is equals to 297. If we substitute this y value, if we substitute this y value here, we will get the same answer as 9 into 297 divided by 3 is equals to 891. Now this problem is quite different from the last model. Now first we should take LCM of these two numbers. The LCM of 9 and 5 is, this LCM is 3 into 3 into 5 is equals to 45. Then the LCM is 45 here into 5, here into 9, here 10. 1 minute, we can take from first. It is 45 here into 5 into 9. 10 plus 27 x is equals to 2. Now 10 plus 27x is equals to 90. This 45, if it goes this side, it becomes 2 into 45. 10 plus 27x is equals to 90. Now this step is repeated. 27x is equals to 90 minus 10. If 10 goes that side, it becomes addition becomes subtraction. 27x is equals to 80. X is equals to 80 by 27. If we substitute this 80 by 27 in this equation, we will get correct answer. If we want, we can try this. Next, for next question, 12a plus 21a is 33a is equals to 33. A is equals to 33 by 33. 1. Then value of a is equals to 1. And this question is also a quite different from the last question. This question has points. Now first let's add these numbers. 3.5 plus 7.9 is 11.4. Here 11.4 plus A is equals to 5. Let's A be this side, and if 11 plus 11.4 goes this side, it becomes minus 11.4. A is equals to, first let's subtract this 11.4 and 5. It's 4 and 6. 6.4. The minus symbol is assigned to bigger sign than minus 6.4. The A value is minus 6.4. If you want this, you can substitute this A value here and you will get the same answer. And the sixth question, it's quite different from all other questions. It follows the different rule. I think you may heard of this rule, Bodamas, which means B means brackets, O means off, which means special multiplication, D means divide, M means multiply, and finally A means add, S means subtract. According to this question, they have used only three equations, three symbols. These are plus minus. According to this question, if we see, we should follow Demas rule. Demas rule is a subdivision. Demas rule is taken only this much. DMAS. This is the rule where we should follow the order wise. First, in any equation they given, first you should do division, after multiplication, addition, and subtraction. If we follow this order, we will get the correct answer. If we don't follow this answer, if we don't follow this order, we may get we will get wrong answer. Now, first let's solve by D. 36b plus 8b into 64. Here is a division. 64 divided by 32 is 2 into 260. Next, 36b plus, next division is completed. Next, multiplication. 8b into 2 is 16b. 36b plus 16b is equals to 260. Now multiplication is also completed. Now only left thing is addition. 36b plus 16b is, I think, 52b. It's 52b. B is equals to 260 by 52. It's 52 ones are, 52 fives are. Then B value is 5. If you want this B value, you may substitute here. You will get the exact or correct answer. And this question is quite different from all other questions. They given the question is, the area of rectangle is 1400 meters square and the length given is 35 meter. Find the breadth. I think all of you know that area formula. Wait, I'll use another. Area is equals to length into breadth. The length is already given, area is already given, 1400 into length is 35. Let's assume breadth as uh, let's assume breadth as b. Now this, if 35 into 35 is, when if 35 went that side, it becomes 1400 by 35 is equals to b, which means 35 ones are, or no, 7 fives are, 7200, and 5 ones are 54, 0, which means breadth is equals to 40 meters. We can check this. 35 into 40 is 0 plus 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 13 14. You'll get the same answer. 1400. This is the area according to this formula. Uh, let's take question as 35x plus 2 into 10 divided by 5 is equals to 20. Let's find the x value. First, according to the question, we should follow DMAS rule: division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. First, division. Let 35x be like that only, and 2 into this. This both, if we divide 10 divided by 5 is 2, is equals to 20. Now 35x plus, next multiplication, it's 4 is equals to 20. 35x is equals to 20 minus 4. 35x is equals to 16. Then x is equals to 16 by 35. Always try to take your own questions from smaller quantity to larger quantity. This. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.